Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will explain one of the technical indicators in the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the RSI indicator, and demonstrate how to use the indicator to create backtesting. RSI indicator, short for Relative Strength Index, is a momentum indicator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate whether a stock or other asset is overbought or oversold. The RSI indicator ranges from 0 to 100, and usually 30 and 70 are set as the oversold and overbought thresholds, respectively. When the RSI indicator is below 30, it indicates an oversold condition, and when it is above 70, it indicates an overbought condition. RSI indicator can choose different periods, mainly used to judge the short-term, medium-term, and long-term market trends. We can use the new version of Sentiment Trader's Backtesting Engine version 2.0 to simulate trading performance based on historical data. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPX as our symbol. Then, to make the test more realistic for real-time trading, change the trade price to next open and change the backtest period to 20-year. This means we will long SPX at the opening price of the next day over the past 20 years when the entry conditions are met. After that, you have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default one provided. Under Entry Criteria, click on the Type drop-down menu and select Technical Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for and select Relative Strength Index, and then choose Cross Above 25. Under Exit Criteria, select Technical Indicator and choose Relative Strength Index as the indicator and cross below 75. This way, we can buy in the oversold area, sell in the overbought area, and follow the market momentum to trade. In the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the default period for Relative Strength Index is 14 days. You can adjust the period by selecting Relative Strength Index on the chart and clicking the Settings icon. You can also change the overbought and oversold thresholds. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. You have learned how to use the Backtest engine to recreate the backtest of RSI. This is a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading skills. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what you can discover. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.